We already know that we can select a range of the data in the spreadsheet and then come up to this name box in this upper left and give it a name, say project. And this enables us to refer to it by that name anywhere in the formula on this spreadsheet, like equal project. Hit enter, so we have the new data. But actually there is another method. If we have a wide range of area of the named ranges, we can just select the entire table all at once, and then go to Formulas. Click on this Create from Selection. Make sure we check the first top row box. Hit OK. So now we can just use the formula equal year. And we just refer to these 4 years in this table. We can also make equal cost. Hit enter. So we have all this column information, same as cost index. So we have this cost index column information. So now we can refer to any one of these by name. And this is just a quick method to name multiple ranges instead of doing this one by one.